Socrates was known as the gadfly of Athens because he would go around to all of the founders of Western philosophy and annoy them, like a fly. And thus, the dialectical method was born. Dia meaning two and lectic meaning speech is about talking to another person and collectively working towards a higher truth. Socratic irony refers to how poor, ignorant Socrates would go up to all the big geniuses of Athens and ask them questions as if he was completely ignorant and not the smartest person of all time. The Socratic method, or elenchus, was an ingenious way of asking questions of people who thought they knew something, getting them to talk and talk until eventually they arrived at some contradiction or state of aporia. Once Socrates had sufficiently pissed off everyone in Athens, they put him on trial for corrupting the youth and being impious. But Socrates put his accusers through his method, finding contradictions in their charges. Eventually, exhausted, they gave him the choice to renounce himself or be put to death. Socrates chose to drink the hemlock and go down through the ages as the man who discovered the true origin of dialectics, the recognition that contradiction sits at the heart of everything. This is why the Oracle of Delphi called him the wisest of all men. Because of his recognition of the contradictory nature of truth, the only thing that he could know was that he knew nothing.